everyone, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we are going to be working on a 2019 Bullitt. It came all the way from Connecticut. Yes, Connecticut, 1,151 miles one way. He's honestly right now the customer that's come the farthest than anybody else to the shop. So we're going to be doing a ESS kit G3 with a 120 pulley on 93 and have Wengerd Performance do the tuning. So let's get started. right, so as you've seen, we got everything installed, got it running, got it on the dyno. Now the first numbers that you've seen when it was on the dyno, it was pulling some timing. It's getting that time of year, guys. You really have to start watching your 93. You have to watch it anyway, but it pulled a little timing. We put some boost stain in it, got a little happy. It is a manual, like with a Bullitt, as you know, it has a GT350 intake and throttle body. Put down 753, was a little happy, but we had boost stain in it, but we had to do that because it was pulling timing. However, I would say the cars were generally going to be 720-ish or 730 around that area. Being a manual car, an auto, it would be around 700, 680, somewhere in that ball game. But you know, guys, what I always say, the dyno is a tuning tool, so don't read into it too much, but the car is very healthy and it does have 373 gears, so it's going to be an absolute blast to drive this. This is our first Bullitt, and really the only thing different, guys, with the kit is this tube right here. Of course, it uses the same tube as a GT350, but everything else is based off the GT. So when you go to order your if you have a Bullitt and you go to order your kit, order a GT kit, but in the comment section just put Bullitt down in the comment section and they'll be sure to get you the correct tube for the GT350 setup that the Bullitt has. Also, guys, we did a UPR catch can as well, and I've been selling a lot of these lately since we talked about them in a few videos back. We are a UPR dealer and they are on the website, so guys, hit us up if you're interested in this catch can. When you get a UPR catch can, we do provide the elbow for you. If you want to run the turbo guard right here or whatever, guys, and you don't want to have this, you can also get a one that has an open filter as well, but I really like the UPR catch cans. Guys, we were getting out there. That makes our 21st state. Our 20th state was actually a car that's still here from New Jersey, and we'll be taking a look at that car. If you've watched his channel, yes, it is Stainmo's car. We've got the ESS installed in the car. We are waiting for the rest of the fuel system to get here, and then we'll be finishing up his car. Stay tuned to his channel. I'll be doing a video on the car, but Stainmo will also be doing some videos of that car. Also, guys, don't forget, we are a dealer for everything that you see here and a lot more. Whipple, Foreign Innovations, you name it, we are a dealer for it pretty much. We even picked up Raptor shift lights here lately, so we've been reaching out and becoming a dealer for everything as we go along. So we also have the website up, hprautomotive.com. If you do not see what you're looking for on there, please reach out to us and we will be glad to get you a quote for anything that's not on there. And if you have any questions, as always, you can reach out to us at 731-435-1319 or ken at hprautomotive.com, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit that like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.